real disco was, the friends we made along the way.
I like that.
Like,
Stop drinking, start thinking! Both of you, I need you to stop drinking and start thinking!
So for these folks, what's a place that you dream about but have never been?
The disco.
All right, the disco. The disco is your suggestion. Players, whenever you're ready, let's see blind line.
Packing it up. Disco's dead.
It's over.
Killed
It's
it.
just never gonna happen anymore. I mean, hit me baby one more time. Can we do just one more disco?
I told you, I think that's why we killed this thing. Because we were playing 90s jams, calling it disco. Confusing people.
But I love...
So I have to go?
The hills are alive.
I don't know, man. I have a special set of schools.
Yeah.
Wait,
yeah, you do.
do you like DJ school dances?
Yeah. I've got a
Okay.
special set of schools that I kind of...
You can like book them for disco parties?
Listen, I can
Get
get
in on that.
as long as I can stay, okay?
I mean,
Call me Ishmael.
Okay.
Come on, keep talking to me. You're selling it.
Okay. I have a couple schools. I have this high school, right?
Right?
I have a don't study too hard, okay? Because like whatever I have been drinking, and whatever.
Damn it, again!
Whatever I say right now, like, could be up for interpretation.
No, I get that.
I mean, I could have got more out.
We all could have gotten more out of this place.
You guys are just stressing me out.
I got 2
We're
crates of
stressing
records.
you
That's
out.
all I got out of this place. 2 crates of records. What am I gonna do with Uncle Jim and the Funky Bunch?
Look, I mean, we all kind of got...
Listen, nothing is gonna stop us now.
I think the bank is gonna stop us right now. Specifically the bank and foreclosure.
Again, like I said, I may have been drinking. We could be stopped.
guys, what if the real disco was, the friends we made along the way?
I like that.
Like,
Stop drinking, start thinking! Both of you, I need you to stop drinking and start thinking!
I'm the beginning! I'm the beginning of this fucking disco, okay?
Yeah, we wanted to open this disco to give you a place to showcase your moves.
My
You're
moves are
100%
fucking
right.
sick!
They are so sick, dude! They're so sick!
They're ultra sick when I'm hammered.
look, guys,
The end. That's what this is.
So that's it.
My advice to you is to start drinking heavily.
This isn't that fun anymore.
So that's it. We're just gonna call it quits. We're just gonna say good drinking
Yeah.
between